Break from summer since it's almost over. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll show you how you can do this viral add yours Instagram trend, so keep on watching. First of all, we will have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen on our Instagram app, and then from here you have to search for Ali and John YTT, and then you have to click to August add yours at highlights. And now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. And if you go to my story, you will have to know that my story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But you can also check my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get the YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. Now you have to go to your uploads and choose a pic from summer. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place a sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and share this with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram profile, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, this time at super viral. And then here you will find this for story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points. And it will get you to a YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to click here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have some questions you can comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.